Motivational quotes are concise, impactful statements designed to inspire and encourage individuals to achieve their goals, overcome challenges, and maintain a positive mindset. These quotes often come from influential figures, literature, or historical texts and have been used for centuries to evoke a sense of purpose and determination. Inspiration. They provide a boost of energy and enthusiasm, helping individuals feel motivated to take action. Positivity. By focusing on the positive aspects of a situation, they help to foster a positive outlook. Focus. They help individuals concentrate on their goals and the steps necessary to achieve them. Resilience. Many quotes emphasize the importance of perseverance and bouncing back from setbacks. Wisdom. They often encapsulate deep wisdom in a few words, making profound concepts easily accessible. Personal development. Reading or reciting motivational quotes can help individuals stay focused and driven in their personal goals.